Hi my dear friends, in this video I will teach you how to send and receive money to your PayPal account and how to link your credit card to your PayPal account and also to withdraw money from your PayPal account to your credit card. It is not hard at all, but for beginners I am recording this video because with online jobs you will need PayPal account, you will need Payeer account and of course crypto wallet, so in this video we will just focus on PayPal. So this is my PayPal account. If you do not have account, you should register on PayPal. First put your email address, your exact name and surname, and also you will verify your PayPal account when you link your internet card to your PayPal account. PayPal works many years, so it is very good payment processor, and if you need it, you're on the right place in the right video for the instructions. And when we click wallet tab, you see there is a link credit card. You will put your card if you click on this tab, or link bank account. With link credit card it is internet card, but first you should also link in the bank your account with your internet card to be eligible to receive money. I do that already, and with internet card I do not have to link directly my bank account because my bank account is linked first with my internet card and then I put my internet card. I use Visa, and after linking, when we click transfer funds, we can then withdraw our PayPal amount, so we can withdraw money to our card and then get real money from the bank when we click on transfer funds. And if we want to send money to some other users, we click on summary, main tab, and click send, and we just put email address with which some user registered on PayPal, and we can then click on next and send the amount which we put to that user with just email address. Also, my email address with which I registered on PayPal I can send to other users, so they can send me money just with email address, nothing more, nothing special. It's very easy, so you will need to open internet card or link bank account first, and on send tab we can send money to others with email address, or we can send our email address to other PayPal users so they can send us money. And on wallet tab, when we receive money, just go on transfer funds. We can also select primary money value. It can be euro, dollar or some other currencies. I use euro and dollar, and that is enough for me. And that is most important things on PayPal. I will not go in details in this video. So what is important? We can send money to other people with email address with which they registered on PayPal. Just on this tab, send. To receive money to our PayPal, we will give others our email address with which we registered on our PayPal account, and when we link internet card or our bank account to our PayPal account, after that we are able to transfer funds and get real money from our bank account. And that's it. Very simple, very convenient to use. PayPal is good, it is working many years, and as a payment processor you will probably need PayPal if you work online jobs. And that's it, my friends, for this video. Just a short video of the most important tabs with PayPal. If you have any other questions, please write in comments. I will tell you everything I know. And if you like this video, click on like button and also subscribe to my LP Crypto and Games YouTube channel. You will support me that way. We will see very soon in another video, and I wish you all the best, friends. Bye, my dear friends.